which part of you guys is Chicago?
Oh, you had given a really good answer in an interview, and I can't remember what it was about Chicago. Um, like we're where Chicago is tough but kind, I think. Um, and part of it is that we have really um very robust seasons here. So it's very cold in the winter and very hot in the summer. And we have to sort of adapt easily. So we're very tough, but because we're also in the Midwest, we're kind, I think. Um,
because we have to deal with all of that, to
right,
deal with, we just can't, every day of the year, we just can't just walk out on the patio and, you know, winter comes, you gotta like shovel snow to go to the store, you gotta deal with it. You gotta
right.
deal with stuff.
And
And
you often will help out a neighbor who's digging their car out from the big
yeah,
snowstorm. So we have that in us. And I also feel like going back to sort of the cultural significance, we are exposed to so many different kinds of people here. We're a melting pot. Chicago is a big melting pot with a lot of neighborhoods. And although some of those neighborhoods are very sort of homogenized, so there might be a Korean neighborhood and a Mexican neighborhood, and um, we still are exposed to each other, and we learn a lot from each other. And I think that gives us tolerance and kindness, but because we're city folks and we have all this weather stuff, I think we're tough.